Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a TjMaxx haul. I love doing hauls. I love watching haul videos, so I thought I'd do my own. I actually went to TjMaxx for two things in particular. One mainly. The other one was like, if I get it, it's okay. If I don't, that's okay. But I ended up spending more, so I thought I'd show you what I got and start doing these $100 or under hauls type videos. So spending $100 or less and seeing what we can get for that amount of money. So jumping right into the video, a couple of the things I don't have on me right now because one of the things I got was a unicorn blanket for my daughter. So she has that now. She's been using it nonstop. I believe it was $12.99. It wasn't that expensive and it's a really big fluffy blanket. The other thing she got was a unicorn water bottle. And when we were in the checkout line, she kept like hitting it on the cart and I said, you gotta stop doing that, it's gonna crack. And she said, oh, okay, I won't do that. Well, then she dropped it and I didn't look at it. The water bottle I think was $6, something or like that. And it came with like a bunch of little scrunchies inside of it too. It was purple, had unicorns all over it. It was real cute. It was a really big size one, not one of those little kid size one. It was like a normal size one. So anyway, she loves using water bottles, whatever. So we get out to the car. I also bought a bottle of water for her and a drink for myself. So that was two other items we got. But I started filling the water bottle in the car and it was leaking. It had cracked already. And that was probably from her dropping it. I didn't pay enough attention to even check it. So that was a whole waste of $6 there. Obviously, it wasn't that great of a water bottle. Oops. And I didn't even take it back or anything. I probably should have, but it's kind of in a hurry to get home. So unicorn blanket, unicorn water bottle, and two drinks. So moving on to the items that I went for, I went to go get a new yoga mat. So I picked up one of these. This one I believe was $9.99. They had some that were more expensive, like $12, $13, whatever. I don't know the difference if it's just the brand. And we already took the packaging off of this, so I don't know the brand, but it's cute. It's just this light pink color. It's got some like purple flower designs all over. My daughter claimed this one as her own. I have one already and she loves doing yoga. I like to do yoga too, so I decided to get another one so we could continue to do it together, but do it more comfortably because otherwise only one of us had a yoga mat. It wasn't working as well. So I wanted to get another yoga mat. Got it. So the other thing I wanted was some weights. Every time I go there, they have like single weights and they never have a match, like a set. And this time I ended up finding a set finally. So these are 5-pound weights. They were, well, dumbbells. This was $7.99 for both of them. And I thought that was a great price because usually like one of the other ones that I was looking at, I mean, it was a 10-pound weight, but it was $9.99 just for the one. Now had that other one had a matching one with it, I probably would have gotten it because these ones are so big and bulky. The 10-pound one was one of those smaller ones. I think it was a Jessica Simpson brand, and I like the smaller ones a little better. They're just easier to, one, put away, find a place for them, and just maneuver with. They're just so big and bulky, but they're gonna get the job done. So I'm gonna have some nice arms again, get my workout on. Okay, the next item I got was a foundation. This was the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. I got the shade 1.5, and the reason I got this was because I have used this foundation before and I used the entire bottle. I remember liking it at least well enough to use the entire bottle. So the shade was 1.5 and that's what I remember having it in a long time ago. So I'm like, holy cow, let's try it out. The only thing is I'm pretty sure that was like a winter shade for me. So I don't know if it's gonna be my shade anymore. I didn't see anymore. Like this was the last one I saw. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just meant to be. This was $12.99 and this is originally a $40 foundation. On here it says the comparable price is $22, but it's actually a $40 foundation. It is on sale at Sephora right now for $20, I believe. But anyways, $12.99 is what I got it for, and yeah. So next item, I got another beauty item. This is a Beauty Blender primer. It's a pore minimizing primer, smooth and fill. This was $7.99. It says comparable at $13.50, but I believe this is in the $22 range or something like that on the Sephora website. So yeah, I got a deal. And I've never tried this one. I just figured might as well try it if I'm getting the foundation. So they were right next to each other. There wasn't a whole lot of good makeup items there. It felt like, not that there wasn't good makeup items. There just wasn't makeup items or brands that I knew of as well. There was a couple Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, but I've got a lot of those. I don't really need any. They didn't really have a whole lot of high-end makeup though. Usually they have a lot, but this time around I wasn't too impressed, but I was excited about those, so yay. Okay, next item. I got a bonnet. It's a satin adjustable bonnet. It's got a drawstring in it. This was $4.99. Compare value is $6. It's high quality satin for nighttime use. And the reason I got this is because my daughter has super curly hair and everybody's been telling me get her a satin pillowcase, which I do have one. I just keep forgetting to put it on her pillow. But I thought maybe this would help too, even after a shower and her hair's dry and stuff, but we're not going out. We're just gonna stay in. Maybe it'll help the curls, because otherwise her hair just gets in her face all the time. And if I put it in a ponytail, then if I take it out, it's got the crease and stuff. So this will help keep it out of the way, but also keep the curls still curly and in place. I don't know. I've never used one before. I don't have curly hair, obviously, and I don't know how to work with curly hair as much. I've been watching a lot of videos, but hopefully this will help. Okay, next item I ended up picking up in the really long checkout aisle where they have everything set out and you're sitting there staring at it all and like, do I need this? No. But am I gonna get it? Yes. So I got a vanilla brown sugar high fragrance reed diffuser. I love these things so much. I've got 2 of them already downstairs. I put one in my bathroom and then the other one's in my living room. They don't really work the best in big spaces, and my living room is very open, so it doesn't work the best, but I needed a new one anyways because or at least the scent stuff, because mine's getting really low. But I wanted one for my bathroom upstairs, so I thought this would be nice. The bottle's cute, and vanilla brown sugar sounded like it smelled good. This was $4.99. It says compare value is $9. Comes with a lot of sticks. Oh yeah, that smells good. Don't get too close to it because then it smells alcohol-y almost. Ooh, I didn't like that. Like a vanilla cupcake vodka, that's what it smells like. Put the reeds in. Oops, I forgot to put the cap back on. Oh yeah, it's so cute and it smells so good. What is this scent? Vanilla brown sugar. Yeah, I can really smell the vanilla for sure. Yeah, I like that. I'm happy about that. Only $5? Yeah. Those things are my favorite. They're just so easy, and then you let the reeds soak up the liquid stuff and then you flip them and then you keep flipping. You know, I don't know how often you're supposed to flip them. I usually just do it probably every day, or when I walk past it, I'm like, hey, I haven't turned that upside down in a while. I should probably do that. I think they work really well. Again, better in small places, but they work. Okay, and on to the last 2 items. So how many is this total? 13. So 13 items. I'd say that's pretty good. I got 13 items for under $100. Next item, I got a swimsuit. I'm not going to be trying this on camera because I just don't want to do that. This was originally $19.99. These are the bottoms. It's a size small, so I honestly don't know if it's going to fit me, but it looked a little bigger than most of the other smalls. It's got this cute, you know, whatever that's called on the sides. It's just a really cute patterned swimsuit, and it's so soft too. I love that. Anyways, it was originally $19.99. I got it on sale for $12. And the compare price is $28. Those are the bottoms, and this is the top. I don't know if this is gonna fit me either, and it doesn't have adjustable straps, so I don't know about that, but it's got this detailing in the front that matches the side detailing. Same fabric, obviously, super soft. It seems really, really nice, so I'm excited to try it on. I'm not at that level where I can try swimsuits on camera. No thanks, but it is cute. I'll let you know what I think about it. What's the brand? Teeny Bikini. I've never heard of that before personally, but I think it's so cute and I needed swimsuits, so we'll see. Next item is from Kyodan, K-Y-O-D-A-N, I don't know. It was $16.99. I got it on sale for $13. It doesn't have a, oh, MSRP, $52 right there. Wow. So it is a skirt. It's just a cute gray little skirt. And I love like athletic skirts. So I don't have one. So I thought I'd try it out. It's got zippers on the side and everything. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. It's an extra small. So I really don't know. But again, it looked a little bit bigger. Like I held it up to my waist and it felt like it would fit, but I'm not an extra small anymore. So hopefully it fits. I'll go try this on for you. We'll be right back. Okay, this is the skirt. Oh, I am so happy I got it. If I could find more of these in different colors, I would, because this is so comfortable. Definitely glad I got an extra small. The only thing is, I think it could be a little longer, but I mean, it's got shorts underneath, so I'm not too worried about it. I love it. It's so soft, so comfortable. It's so cute. I didn't know if I'd have a shirt to go with it, but I think the tank top is fine. 10 out of 10, recommend. It's so comfortable. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy about it. I'm pretty sure the skirt is my favorite out of all of this. I'm so excited it fit, and it's so comfy, and it looks so cute. I love it. Oh, I don't know, for 13 items, I'm pretty happy. I got a lot of stuff that, well, not necessarily that I needed, but it was a good haul. It might not be exciting for you guys. I don't know, let me know. But I'm happy with everything I purchased so far. Let me know if you guys like this type of videos and where else you would like me to do a haul from. Again, I want to try to keep it $100 or less, but I will continue to do TjMaxx hauls because I go there all the time. They have a TjMaxx Home Goods together, and I get a lot of my house stuff from there, and obviously just anything in between. So let me know if you guys like it. Please hit a thumbs up if you do, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.